Control A, select all. Control B, bold. Control C, copy. Control D, default font size. Control E, center. Control F, find. Control G, go to. Control H, replace. Control I, italic. Control J, justify. Control K, hyperlink. Control L, align text to left. Control M, hanging indent. Control N, new document. Control O, open. Control P, print. Control Q, add space after paragraph. Control R, align text to right. Control S, save as. Control T, left indent. Control U, underline. Control V, paste. Control W, close. Control X, cut. Control Y, repeat, redo. Control Z, undo. Thank you. Subscribe the channel Basuda Study Valley Foundation.